Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all chat attachments on Snapchat. With the latest update, Snapchat has made it easier for users to access attachments shared in conversations. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of conversations. Step 3. Select a conversation that you want to view attachments from and tap on it to enter the chat. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you will see the contact name or profile photo of the person you are chatting with. Tap on it to access more options. Step 5. Scroll down on the contact's profile page and look for the section labeled Chat Attachments. Here, you will find all the attachments shared in that particular conversation, including photos, videos, and links. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all chat attachments on Snapchat. Keep in mind that this feature may vary depending on the device you are using and the version of the app. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.